Good day everyone. I am Mary Giselle Joy D.C. Liwag, BSCE 3G. From the subject of dynamics of rigid bodies, I will explain one example problem in absolute motion. Wheel of radius r rolls on a flat surface without slipping. Determine letter A, the angular motion of the wheel in terms of the linear motion of its center O. B, the acceleration of a point on the rim of the wheel as the point comes into contact with the surface on which the wheel rolls. Let's solve for letter A. So, we can see here, this is the figure, we can see that the wheel rolls to the right and center O, placement of center O is equal to S, which S is equal to C arc length of C prime A. So the line CO rotates to new position O prime, and the angle theta is measured from vertical direction. So we can say now that S is equal to theta r, and we can say VO, or initial velocity, is now equal to radius omega, and the initial acceleration is equal to radius times alpha. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin for letter A. We can see that the r, or radius times omega, is also equal to S prime, and radius times alpha is equal to S double prime. So now let's solve for letter B. For the acceleration of a point on the rim of the wheel as the point comes into contact with the surface on which the wheel rolls. So, find natin yung, so, we can say x is equal to S minus r sine theta. Since S is equal to theta r, we can rewrite theta r sine theta. So, i-factor natin ngayon, which may common r times theta minus sine theta. Ito na yung x natin. So, kunin natin yung x prime. Ngayon, magiging r theta prime 1 minus sine theta na siya. Then, ito, pwede nang gawin V, initial velocity. Pag dinerivative natin to, makukuha natin is yung itong makukuha natin is 1 minus cosine theta. X prime na natin. So ito na, i-derivative ulit natin, x double prime is equal to, pag dinerivative natin, makukuha natin ngayon is b sub o prime 1 minus cosine theta plus v theta prime sine theta. And pag makakagat is equal to AO times 1 minus cosine theta plus R omega squared sine squared theta. Ito na ngayon yung x double prime natin. So, kunin naman natin ngayon yung y. Can write that y is equal to R minus R cosine theta. So, R 1 minus cosine theta. So, yung y prime natin ngayon is equal to R theta prime sine theta. So, dito, ano din natin siya ng V sub O sine theta. Ito na ngayon yung value ng y prime. So, i-differentiate ulit natin. Kuha natin V sub O sine theta plus V O theta prime cosine theta. And the final is A sub O sine theta plus radius omega squared cosine theta. Ito na ngayon. So, if theta is equal to 0, then the x is equal to 0 because then yung y double prime is equal to R omega squared na lang. Ngayon, ito na yung magiging sagot natin for letter B.